So this unit.
You can get that motor.
Yeah, I think we could get the motor.
They'll sell in Home Depot.
No,
Yes.
no. You gotta get it from a You gotta get it from an HVAC store.
HVAC store.
Yeah. So this unit's from 2018. You got model serial number right there. So we know that when we get
No, you are forcing it to run when you do that.
yeah, no, I'm not forcing it because when you put the door on, so we know that that motor is 100% bad. Yeah, because the bearings itself. Yeah, right now it's not even moving. And then you can't replace the bearings because the motor is like intact.
What is this now? What is this sound?
This is the sound of the heat fan. So this fan pushes out the combustion fluid. Because whenever you heat, you got a little bit of
This
steam.
is going out or inside
This is going outside
the house.
to the side of the house.
Yeah, but heater is not working because the blower is not there.
Yep.
That's it.
And then when you have gas going through the tubes back here,
The blower is not working. Then it won't spoil the running.
I think that's it. I'm gonna call the supply house and see if we can get the motor first. And then we'll fix it today. Okay. Just long enough. Just long enough. That's in there. Right. There's the last screw. Set screws in. She flows pretty good. Nothing's hidden. It's so long. Put the furnace right at the low point. Put the furnace at the low point. Gotta pry this thing out. Tell it's inside. Now we just gotta put this screw in and that screw. That's in. Okay. Put that in place. Let's see where I can put you guys. Moment of truth. motor sounds a lot better. Put the capacitor in, wire everything back in. F, what is that? Continuous fan on. So, got the old motor out, new motor in. Sounds so much better than earlier. I think that's really it. It's very interesting how they're pulling the fresh air from here. And there is not much of an intake, but it's been working for 6-7 years, so there's no point in reinventing the wheel here. I don't know if he has a call for heat. Oh, where's my chuck? I can't find my chuck. Can't find a big one. But yeah, I think we're good to go. We know that the gas and fire works. So thank you for watching. I think the last thing I'll do is do a combustion analysis, and god damn, look at that. No bueno. But somebody must have changed that for him. Well, I don't know. It's really hard to say, but I guess for this one we're done. Thank you for watching.